friends, welcome to Art Fashion channel. I'm Daire, the artist who paints on clothes. And as I'm making this video at the end of 2020 and finally this year coming to an end, I decided to connect biggest trends of this year, tie-dye clothes and Among Us game. And if you haven't heard about Among Us game, you probably have been living under the rock because this game is everywhere. Like people all over the world playing it, and even I, person who doesn't play games, even I played. So I'm gonna customize 7 pairs of socks. I'm gonna tie-dye them and then I'm gonna paint on them. And let's see, will you be able to guess who are the imposters? Let's get started. And here are my 7 pairs of socks. Why 7? Because I thought that 7 socks will look good on a thumbnail. And here are textile dyes. Pink, purple, green, yellow, blue, black, red and light blue. For each pair of socks, I'm gonna use 2 colors of textile dye. So for dyeing, I need water to wet my socks, rubber bands and construction with ball and grate on which I will put socks while dyeing. And I'm tying wet socks. I'm tying randomly using 2 rubber bands. And as I don't have special bottles for textile dye, I dissolved textile dyes in cups and I'm gonna use syringes to apply dye on socks. So for first pair of socks, I'm using black and purple textile dyes. For second, light blue and orange. Then pink and purple. Red and yellow. Green and blue. Purple and blue. And the last pair of socks, black and orange colors. And now I'm gonna wait for an hour, then wash off textile dye from socks and dry them. And here is the result. And I love how they turned out. I don't know even which colors are my favorite because all of them are so beautiful and interesting. Okay, let the game begin. And in case you have never played a game, I'm gonna lead you through and explain you the rules, so then you will understand the idea of my designs. So, the beginning of the game, when you learn are you a crew member or imposter? And I decided to paint this beginning of the game on socks which I dyed with black and purple textile dyes. You know, actually, characters from Among Us game are perfect characters for painting on socks, because on socks it's hard to paint anything complicated or anything realistic, I don't know. But such cartoonish, easy characters is the right choice for socks design. For painting, you're using basic colors, you're making outline, nothing too much complicated or difficult. And you know, actually first I just wanted to hop on a trend and paint Among Us characters on socks, and then I decided to install game to try playing it, to understand the rules, so I can create design based on this game. And then I got addicted, and now I'm playing this game here every day. Yeah, this game is very addictive. So first player is a member of crew, and if you are a member of crew, you need to finish tasks, you need to fix ship, you need to make it before some imposter kills you. And also at the same time you need to find out who is the imposter who kills your crewmates. And I chose a cyan, a color player with a cute flower hat for sock dyed with pink and purple textile dyes, because I think it's gonna be just beautiful color scheme. And first task which this player have to complete is to fix wiring, and I'm gonna write this task on the other sock. Second player, also the member of crew. And I chose pink color player with a cute cherry hat for socks dyed with purple and light blue textile dyes, because again it's just beautiful colors combination. And this player's first task is to swipe card. And we have a first body. Who did it? Who killed purple player? And actually you can be easily killed in the game, because sometimes there are 2 or 3 imposters who need to kill all the members of crew to win. And if you are killed in the game, you're turning into a ghost, and then you still can continue game, you can complete tasks to help crew to win. But if you found the body, you need to report it and then discuss with all other players who did it, who was a killer, who was an imposter. And I still have 3 pairs of socks, and I need to decide who is gonna be an imposter. Or maybe 2 imposters. Okay, it was yellow. Yellow is an imposter. And I decided to paint on socks alien imposter, because sometimes while killing, imposter turns into such cute alien with a long tongue. And I decided to paint hello head, because sometimes the most innocent looking player turns out to be an imposter. And if you are playing as an imposter, you need to kill all the members of crew before they finish tasks and before they find out who you are. And yeah, the only task imposter has is to kill. Kill everyone. But sometimes players make wrong decisions while discussing who is an imposter, and sometimes it's just so sad when you're trying to finish tasks and to help your crew, but everybody thinks that you are an imposter. But you were not an imposter. And the last pair of socks, I decided to paint the second imposter on them. And here I play as an imposter, and here I killed red player. And I decided to paint this imposter with a knife. And actually it's pretty hard to be a good imposter, to escape from everyone, to hide the truth that you are an imposter. But at the same time it's just very fun. And one more possibility which you have while you're playing as an imposter is to sabotage everyone and kill everyone. And I was caught in the game. Well, now I have 7 pairs of custom socks, and when I have mood, sometimes you feel that you're ready to kill someone. When I have such mood, I will wear imposter socks. But when I have mood, when I will feel that I'm ready to join forces to make this world a better place, I will wear crewmate socks. I hope guys you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please smash that like button, and if you are new here, subscribe to my channel for more painting on clothes videos. And here is the final result.